Samsung HW-Q67CT 7.1CH Soundbar with acoustic beam. Click the link below for more info and a special 35% discount offer. The wireless module requires a power cord to function and speaker cables to connect to rear speakers. You can connect two different smart devices at the same time, so you can conveniently switch between devices, but Bluetooth mobile device connection is not available when already connected to the TV. This soundbar unit can connect via Bluetooth to enjoy your favorite content without using any unsightly physical cables. We always recommend using the included HDMI cable to avoid sound disruptions, as wireless connections are not always reliable, and to be able to use the full sound quality and power of the soundbar system. Please make sure your TV supports Bluetooth soundbar compatibility first, as not all model TVs will support Bluetooth connection, mostly only higher-end TV models. For rich quality audio, we recommend you connect to a compatible HDMI ARC port via the included HDMI cable for a rich audio experience. Please verify your TV model accepts HDMI ARC connections, as not all model TVs support this feature. Supported soundbar features 3D surround sound, Samsung Acoustic Beam, Game Pro Mode, and Q Symphony. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.